I'm Bird. No, I'm not male. I'm using my friend for views. Please, help. But this is cursed childhood memories. Bird edition. The first one is about teeth. And thinking about it now, pretty sure it scared me. Well, I was 6 in the story, and I was losing my front tooth. I was wiggling it all night until it came out, or so I thought. When I went to look in the bathroom mirror, it was hanging on by a strand. My neighbor, let's call her May. May was a dental assistant. She came over at 11 p.m. just to pull out my tooth. Another story is when I was 8. Everyone in my class was obsessed with dating. We all thought we were older than we were. So we asked each other out. So one day, I was walking around in my class during free time. This boy, let's call him Mark, came strolling over and said, "Hey Bird, what do you want? To date yo?" And I ran fast. Well, this is my cursed childhood experience. And remember, send help.